Welcome back to my channel for another video. If you're new and this is your first video, then hello and welcome. I'm so glad that you are here. My name is Cheyenne. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 4 kids, ages ranging from 17 down to 4 years old. My youngest just turned 4, and my oldest is about to turn 17 in a couple weeks, and then my second oldest just turned 14. So lots of birthdays during the holiday season, that's for sure. Anyways, on my channel I post motivational cleaning videos and hope that it will help motivate you to tackle whatever it is that you need to tackle around your home today, or even just to watch and get motivated. I know that sometimes I need help getting motivated too.
We were making our way through the town, yeah, never really wanted the night to end. And I was wishing you'd stick around, still I was thinking that we were just friends. Had we met before, instant chemistry, was so glad you came. Had we met before, laugh innocently, but it didn't feel like thunder.
Hey guys, so I wanted to mention real fast that today's video is an after dark clean with me, and also it is a collaboration with my friend Rebekah. Rebekah, thank you so much for collabing with me. I'm so excited and I cannot wait to watch your video. If you guys are not already subscribed to her channel link and video link will be in my description box below. Definitely check her channel and video out after mine and let her know I sent you.
We met before, instant chemistry. It took me a while to realize that you were the missing piece. It didn't feel like thunder or lightning, but something struck me when I was looking into your eyes. Wasn't love at first sight, fire burning bright, but now I know what it was. It was like coming home. Yeah, it felt like coming home. I was the girl all alone in the corner, drinking by herself on a Saturday night. I'm in love with all your lights and your colors. I'm in love with all your nights. But you've kept me far away from my focus, and to my heart I cannot lie. Stars, made of stars, up above, made to fall. Stars, counting stars, and they guide me through the dark. Lonely days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe. Dreams of green and filled with bliss, life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home? I'm going for the gold, turning off the cruise control and take the long way home. Moving on was never harder with knowledge of all the things I leave behind. I got a new friend in my life that is perfect, and you're no longer on my mind. Sun, warming sun, and my life's just begun. Sun, under the sun, I'll be fine and you'll be gone when nothing's like home. I'm going for the gold, turning off more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home? I'm going for the gold, turning off the cruise control and take the long way home. Didn't I wait for you? Didn't I say I'm sorry? Didn't I do the best I could? You have high expectations. Don't I know that you've explained it? How I should prove myself to you. But I can't when I'm with you. I need to laugh again, but I can't when I'm with you.
So I wanted to mention real quick, and yes, before you guys ask, I do save my Starbucks cups. Even if I don't get to Starbucks often. I used to be a complete Starbucks junkie, but I am not anymore. My closest Starbucks is like 30 minutes away, and I just, with the cost of gas, would not drive that. We have several coffee shops in our small town that we live in, but I just prefer to make my own homemade iced coffee. So if you're interested in an iced coffee recipe, let me know in the comments below. Maybe I can do a video on that. And so I really wanted to mention that I cut my sponges in half. If you guys had noticed, it's easier on my hands, helps me save money. I don't have to buy sponges as much. And also, if you ever notice in my videos, I always use the flat green sponges, which I also cut in half because those come pretty big, to wash my sink. And I will never wash my dishes with that sponge. If you've caught me in the past doing that, please call me out. But I don't do it. Now, if other people in my house do it, then I don't know. I don't know that they're doing it, but I will switch it out. If it looks gross, I'll switch it out, clean my sink, and then that's my sink sponge. So I did just want to mention that. Do you guys have a separate sink sponge, or do you clean the sink with the same sponge you wash your dishes? Personally, my sink gets really nasty, and if I'm not doing the dishes every night, which I don't, sometimes that's my son's chore, then the sink will continue to stay gross until I scrub it out. So yeah. So I wanted to mention that I don't normally get to clean at night because of our schedules, my husband's work schedule. So on this night, I had him go put our son to bed, and I just kind of jumped in real quick. So I did not get to vacuum or anything like that, but I did tidy up. This is not a deep clean. This is just a tidy up. I know you're going to see that dust right there in the entertainment center, and I'm so sorry, not sorry about it, but that's life, right? We live in Eastern New Mexico, in case you are new here, and we get dusty. So anyways, moving on. I don't know if you guys are like me, but just kind of putting it out there. Do you guys like to clean it in the evening and wake up to a super clean, maybe not super clean, but clean enough for you, to your specifications, to where you are not feeling overwhelmed and just like, oh my gosh, there's a huge mess, I have to clean it now. You just kind of want to wake up and you kind of want to sit down for a little bit after the kids go to school, and you want to drink that big old 10-ounce glass of coffee or whatever it is you drink, go to Starbucks, whatever, but you don't have that overwhelming sense of this place is a disaster. Let me know in the comments below if you're like that, because I'm like that, but unfortunately the morning is my clean time.
We knew that love could mend the spirit, broken into reverse a broken feeling. Just say I do, and I will follow wherever you may go.
So, quick story. I like to avoid mess, and sometimes when the bathroom gets completely out of control, it makes me feel overwhelmed. So we have a family of 6, and with 6 people going in and out of the bathroom multiple times a day, showering, getting ready for the day, brushing teeth, like whatever it is that you're doing, it can go pretty sideways. So I tried to have a system where in the middle of the week I would go in and do a quick wipe down. It doesn't always work that way. We always get busy. But I do want to say that once the bathroom is clean, it does set the mood for a more positive and peaceful environment, just like any other room in the house. So if you're like me and you're avoiding the mess in the bathroom, let me tell you, the end result is always so much better and so much more worth it once everything is clean and wiped down. So yeah, don't be afraid of the mess. It's totally okay. It's normal. I know I've been feeling like that for a long time, so I will avoid cleaning the bathrooms. But for me, the end result does feel so much better.
You got me feeling like my head is spinning round. The way you look is so amazing, amazing. I could stare into your eyes for hours and hours. Everything is kinda hazy. We're just dancing in the dark in the flashing lights. I know you can't hear what I'm saying, so I'm just gonna hold you closer. You take me higher when we're together. It feels like you set my whole world on fire. I know I want you.
So I wanted to say thank you so much if you guys made it this far into the video, and if you are new and this is your first video, thank you for stopping by. I hope you do consider subscribing and becoming a part of my YouTube family. It is free for you to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked today's video, and also don't forget to check out Rebekah's channel. Her link to her channel and her link to today's video will be in my description box below, and let her know that I sent you if you are not already subscribed to her channel. And again, thank you, Rebekah, for collabing with me. This was so much fun, and I definitely hope we get to do it again very soon. And yeah, so until next time, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I don't know how you do it to me, but you make me wanna fly. I'm not coming down. Maybe it's the way you move, babe, move, babe. You've got that body and that smile.